We have seen a lot of concentration on the use of the GNSS.
I have no issue with network matter.
Technology is dynamic.
Overview of GNSS. We have the GPS in 2009, and GPS is just a constellation of the several other constellations that has been developed. So today, if you have your receiver, don't say I have a GPS receiver. I have a GNSS receiver, because every GNSS today is tracking multiple constellations.
I've really learned a lot. Some areas I need to be retrained. I've been taught what GNSS is all about. I understand the difference between GNSS and GPS.
Today's session was more like a refresher course for me. And then now I'm seeing it from the practicality of it. I'm seeing how very relevant they are to our operations.
The basic GNSS receiver calculates its position by measuring the distance to at least 4 satellites, and that distance is what we call pseudo range. It computes the pseudo range between where it is and the satellites in the orbit. So inside calibration, I'm generating transformation parameter for my local. So if I've gotten that transformation parameter and I impute it in the handheld or in the differential along with WGS, it will be giving me another coordinate. So that is why in GNSS observation, there is always the need to define your coordinate reference system.
The way he was explaining, it captured my attention to the extent that it now still went to the issue of site calibration. Most of the time, I've met this issue on site, and what I used to do is go with my laptop. But with this, I don't need to even bother myself on carrying laptop up and down. Whatsoever local coordinates they are operating and fit.
We're currently in Module 5, Tersus Advanced Positioning, achieving centimeter accuracy without base station, without core station, also without the need for internet connectivity.
There are many things that we don't know that they are in existence. But coming for this training session, I've been able to know that technology is dynamic. If I'm not here yesterday and today, I would not be able to know the advancement that has come to GNSS.
Yeah, if I had missed this training, I wouldn't even have loved someone to come and tell me about it. So I would encourage anyone watching this video to key into the next one that will be coming up. You can be sure you will get value more than what you have paid for.
So being guys, like students, whether you graduate, you're an undergraduate, or like next time, come for Sacredion's training. Thank you.